Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 10th class 14th lesson. What was that? The national movement in India, partition and independent 1939 to 1947. See, previous session already we discussed, right? When Muslim League formed, what is the role of the Muslim League? What are the interests of the Muslim League? When the RSS formed, and what is the role of the RSS? What are the interests of the RSS, right? And how Muslim League the day by day is grown, and how the day by day they get strong, and how they created after the 10 years separate country. Already all those things we discussed, and what are the clauses of the INS also we discussed. Now in this session we are going to discuss who will make the British quit India. Who will make British quit India? Everyone says the Gandhi, right? Not only the Gandhi, the many nationalists, many revolutionists, the many freedom fighters, they fought against the what we are the breathing today, the so-called independence, right? The many others. But among them, so who will make the British quit India? See, when the period, you can see this period 1939 to 1947, there is the World War II is the time is the 1939 to 1945, and this period. And another hand, the Japan aggression, and Japan started occupying the all over the Asia in the slowly. So Britishers get afraid. They want the peaceful the weather in India. They want the peaceful weather in India. The any movement, any agitation they didn't want. Why? Because they on one side they participated in war, and another side Japan is started to the aggression. And if they made any another side in the Indian agitation, that will be difficult to the control the India. So that's why they want to compromise. They want to support. They want to the India should support to the Britishers. So that's why on that time the British PM, the Churchill said he is a minister. Churchill said he is a minister to Cripps. Churchill sent his minister to what his name is the Cripps. The Cripps came to the India to discuss with Gandhi and INC. What is the INC? Indian National Congress. See, the Cripps came to the India to discuss with the Gandhi and INC. See, the discussion will started. The many discussions. The Cripps wants to the support Gandhi and support India to the Britishers, and this Gandhi and INC wants to the freedom. They wants to the freedom. This kind of discussion happened, and finally this discussion couldn't get a success. When the failure of the Cripps mission. Why the Cripps mission? We will say what is the Cripps mission? What is the agenda mean? Number 1. Cripps mission. What is the Cripps mission? First, they want to the support from India. They want to support from the India. In this kind of discussion, between Cripps and Gandhi. The discussion happened, Cripps and Gandhi, and finally the discussion failed. Finally, this discussion was failed between the Cripps and the Gandhi. When the discussion were failed, those who are the Cripps and between the Gandhi, then the Gandhi started his third biggest movement. The third biggest movement, that is Quit India. What was that, Anna? Quit India. The Quit India movement started in August 1942. When in August 1942, the Quit India movement was the start. What is the Quit India means? Quit means you can go. Quit means you have to go. And the quit, we are the living. You have to live. You have to leave India. Why? Because we are the ruling by you for many years. Now it's time to you have to leave India. We can rule ourselves. That is the final war. We can say that the final war in the Quit India. The Quit India movement started by the Gandhi. In this Quit India movement, the slogan is very famous slogan given by the Gandhi. That is a do or die. This is the time for last. You can do the whatever you can do, or you can die. But you can die in the field. You can die in the field of the war. So that's why when the do or die, this kind of the slogan made by the Gandhi. Gandhi, the many people, the many organizations, they came together and they started very strong agitation against the Britishers. Very strong against the Britishers. What they fear about the Britishers? The World War happened, all those who participated, they didn't want to the any kind of agitation in the India. But instead of this strong, very quick India is a very powerful agitation against the Britishers. So that's why they led the jail in the Gandhiji. They put in the jail in the Gandhiji. When the Gandhiji in the jail, the many youngsters, the many young revolutionaries, the many young political leaders came on the road and carry away this kind of the movement, carry away the Quit India movement. And also socialist leader one is the Jayaprakash Narayana. Jayaprakash Narayana is the main role in this kind of Quit India movement. Because in Satara and some kind of areas also they celebrated as the independent, they declared as themselves independent. This kind of the Quit India movement started in the Gandhiji in August 1942. In the Quit India movement, given the slogan is the "Do or Die" is a very famous slogan. See, you can see Japan. You can see the Japan is very small country. Japan is very small country. When the small country is started the very aggression and occupied almost Asia. So they thought the Japan is the get this kind of the approach, this kind of the thought. We are the India. Why shouldn't we? Why shouldn't we fight? How many years we are fight with the non-violence, all those things. Then Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose decided to fight against the Britishers, in the violence. See, what he thought, what he made, you can give me your blood, I will give you independence. You can give me your blood, I can give you independence. Jai Hind, Chalo Delhi, all these kind of the slogans were made by the Bose. See, the Bose visited Japan, and the Bose also met to the Mr. Hitler. Mr. Bose also met to the Mr. Hitler. And due to the heavy war, the Hitler couldn't help, but he suggests to the Japan. And Subhash Chandra Bose is a Germany to Japan. Germany to Japan went for the submarine. No? Do you know the under the water, the submarine? Went for the submarine to Japan, and they created the one force, soldier force, that is called IN. IN. What does it mean? IN? Indian National Army. What does that mean? Indian National Army. The created INA is by the Bose is an Indian National Army. See, Indian National, who joined in the Indian National Army? Those who are interested to fight against the Britishers. Those who are interested, the youngsters to fight against the Britishers, they can join. And also the POW. What does it mean by POW? Means the prisoners of war. The prisoners of war. The prisoners of war, they can join in the INC. They join in. So while we are doing the war, we can caught the many soldiers. When we caught the many soldiers, they will be the prisoners of war. So those who are the fight, already they are the soldiers, but they caught by the prisoners in the due to the war. So these kind of war fellows is join in the INA. All these kind of fellows join in the INA. When this join in the INA, the INA started attacking the Britishers. And occupied the Burma, nowadays the Myanmar, and occupied the Andaman and the Nicobar. In the Andaman and Nicobar, the Subhash Chandra Bose made with the name Swaraj and the Swadesh is kind of the made name. But in the 1945, around the 1945-42, and this Subhash Chandra Bose went for the Taiwan in the helicopter. One plane was crashed and Subhash Chandra Bose died. This is the conspiracy, but no one is an official. So each and every freedom fighter has their birth date, but only the freedom fighter, Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose, he didn't have any death date. Nowadays also we couldn't find. Most of the Bose fans, most of the Bose who admired them, they thought that Subhash Chandra Bose also lived in up to 1972. This kind of conspiracy also we can find in the Subhash Chandra Bose, right? This is about the who will quit the India. Right? Thank you. I hope you understand. Next session we will discuss the partitions and the assassination of the Gandhi. Thank you.